In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Vercel website to Google Search Console. We'll be connecting your custom domain to Google Search Console so Google can verify that you own the site. This is an important step if you want your website to appear properly in search results and if you want access to useful search performance data. To get started, navigate to the official Google Search Console website and sign into your Google account if needed. Once you're inside Search Console, look to the top left corner and open the Property drop-down menu. From there, click Add Property. A setup window will appear with different property options. On the left side, choose the domain property type. This option is useful because it verifies the entire domain, including any subdomains and both HTTP and HTTPS versions. Now enter your custom domain name exactly as requested, without adding HTTPS and without www. In other words, you should enter only the root domain. After that, click Continue. Google will now generate a unique verification record for your domain. You'll see a TXT record value displayed on screen. Copy the string of text from that TXT record field carefully. This value is what you'll add to your DNS settings in Vercel to prove domain ownership. Make sure you copy the full record exactly as shown. Next, open your Vercel dashboard and click on the project connected to your website. Once the project opens, go to the Settings tab at the top. In the left sidebar, select Domains. Find your custom domain in the list, then click Edit or View DNS Records and More, depending on what your interface shows. This will take you to the DNS area where you can add the verification record from Google Search Console. Now fill out the DNS records form. You'll want to create a TXT record using the verification value you copied earlier. Be careful to place the information in the correct fields, since DNS entries need to match exactly for verification to work properly. When everything looks correct, click Add to save the new DNS record. After saving, return to Google Search Console to complete the verification step. Google may verify the domain right away, but in some cases, DNS changes can take a little time to propagate, so if it doesn't work immediately, wait a few minutes and try again. Once verification is complete, your Vercel website will be successfully added to Google Search Console. From there, you can start monitoring indexing, search visibility, and site performance data for your domain.